We are living in unprecedented times of change. I wanted to give you a flexible program of healthy recipes. Ingredients are not concerned, but the art of cuisine is concerned. Abder, expert in food and beverage, and I'm gonna share with you things that I love, that I think you might love. I'm gonna give you the best chance to learn more about healthy recipes and nutrition. If you are interested, be sure to subscribe in my channel. I guide you to prepare a healthy breakfast, to cook low carb recipes, vegan recipes, to prepare nutritious smoothies, and also to cook felicity food. So let's do it. Let's cook healthy with Best Inspiration Kitchen.